In this video, I'll show you how to use the buttons and gestures on your Apple Watch SE3. So let's start with the digital crown, this right over here. If you press on the digital crown once, like this, you're gonna go on your home screen where all your apps are displayed. You can navigate with your finger or by rotating the crown itself. If you go down below, you also have these options. So all your apps will be displayed in a list and not with small dots like they were. If you double click the crown, you'll open the app shifter. Okay, that disappears after a few seconds if you don't interact with the watch. So let me click twice on it again. And from here, you'll be able to see all the open apps. Right now, I only have 2. If you want to close an app that is open in the background, simply swipe towards the left and press the X button. This is how you close apps. If you press and hold the crown, Siri will be activated and you'll be able to tell commands to Siri to help you. Now let's talk about the side button. If you press once on this button, you're gonna get Control Center, where you're going to have a quick access to the most used features, including the flashlight, the Wi-Fi, airplane mode, vibration, or, other stuff like mute mode, and the volume of your Apple Watch SE3. If you want to use emergency mode, you simply have to keep this button pressed. You're going to enter in this screen and you'll be able to slide the SOS emergency call. From here, you also have access right on the top of the power button. If you tap on it, you can simply enter this mode and slide towards the right side to power off your Apple Watch SE3. If you want to change the watch face, simply keep pressed with your finger on it. You'll be able to edit the watch face that is currently on. Or if you swipe towards the right side, you'll be able to add multiple watch face simply by pressing the plus icon. And over here, you'll be able to browse through hundreds and hundreds of different designs. From the watch face, if you drag down from the top of the screen, you're going to see all your notifications. So you can go like this and you'll be able to see them all. If you go all the way up, you can also clear them in case they're not interesting for you. If you swipe from the bottom of the screen up on your watch face, you'll have access to all your widgets. So right now I have a few of them. And if you want to, let's say, add more, press edit, press the plus icon, and you'll be able to add more widgets. You can also browse them simply by using the crown. When you are in your app's grid view, and you want to rearrange them in case, let's say you want an app that is lower over here to be on the top, simply keep press on it and bring it up. You can drag it exactly where you want it to be, so it's easier to access next time you need it. Press the crown once so they stop jiggling, and right now you can use your watch again. And in case you want to restart your Apple Watch SE3, you have to keep holding this button and that button at the same time. Okay, keep both of them pressed. Once you see the screen turned off, you can release them and the watch will automatically restart. You don't have to press anything. The Apple logo will come back. Here we go. And in a minute or 2, you'll be able to use your watch once again. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.